The Yogi Bowl is my favorite portable, pantry-handy, protective meal that assembles in minutes. Effortless and oh so satisfying. I layer up this comforting meal when I need a break from cooking and want a protective boost. I made them when I was experiencing a health crisis, and when I couldn't, I directed Jerry to make Yogi jars for me and bring them to the hospital. Teach this easy lifeline protective recipe to a family member or closest friend for an optimal health support guarantee in hard times. First, we start out with additive-free organic applesauce from the jar, or if you have a tree, get to canning. I toasted my rolled oats in the toaster oven. You could also toast them in the regular oven or in a dry pan. You can also use raw rolled oats right out of the package. I layered in the applesauce, sprinkle of cinnamon, and of course, our angiogenesis inhibiting protective diet plant-based organic soy yogurt. A little more cinnamon. And we top it off with our toasted oats. On lazy days, I skip the toasting, but the toasting adds so much flavor and crunch. And these will join my jar jungle in my refrigerator full of ferments on a protective diet.